everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix payment decline error on Klarna. So if you ever encounter something like this, I'm going to show you a few methods on how to fix. Number one, you need to check available funds. Ensure your bank account or card has enough balance for the first installment or full payment. Some banks require extra buffer amounts, so leave more than you plan to spend. Step two, try a different method or payment method. Go to Klarna application, payment methods, add new. You can use another debit card or credit card or bank account. Klarna prefers major cards like Visa, MasterCard. Prepaid cards are often declined. Number three, verify your identity. Klarna may decline payments if your identity isn't verified. In the Klarna app, go to Profile, Settings, Personal Details. Then you need to complete phone, email, billing address, and ID verification if prompted. Number four, lower your card total. Klarna uses an automated approval system for each purchase. If the amount is too high or seems risky, try removing some items, choosing a cheaper product or shorter installment plan. Clear app or browser cache. If you're using Klarna via website, clear cache and cookies in your browser. Switch to a different browser or device. If using Klarna app, log out, force close, reopen, log in again. Now, do not use VPNs or proxy networks. Klarna may block payments from masked locations. So disable any VPN or location spoofing app and try again. Now, last, contact Klarna support. Use the Klarna chat with us or visit klarna.com customer service. Ask them to check your account or status or any block on your profile. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.